Yo, guys. Until you this fake it until you make it thingy. Le phela ka nnete, like for real, for real, for real. You are living there. Fake it until you make it. Nanse ke re fela re ipuela fela. Mkhotsi fake it until you make it. Until other people are living it like for real, for real, for real. Ke shebile this incident ya Queen Nandi. I'm like, woman, well, Sesotho se re le qeba la mosadi ha le tshewe. Mara ke dutse kare ka inahana, I was like, oh sebete sa mosadi yo ha se motho e leng hore nkile ka kopana le di post tsa hae before. I'm only seeing her now ka drama e ya hore na evictua ntlong in Sandton, ntlong e leng hore allegedly ne I rentile for only 6 weeks, according to the owner of the house. Na I rentile only for 6 weeks hore a tlo kgona ho shoota a reality TV show. She went as far as ho kenya furniture ya hae ka hare ha ntlo e mong hore batho ba shebelletseng ba bone hore ka nnete ke ha hae mono, because a ke re tle be re bona bo snepe sa bana ka backgrounding ha ntse o shootuwa. Me was once evicted ntlong e nngwe hape ha ne ke ka jele mo Bedford, and also le ntlong ya kerekeng, guys. Ai rena le mathata. Guys, let's try to live within our means. Wa tseba people e leng hore re leka ho ba impress immediately ba realize hore what you've been living is not real, but o bontsha di flames, they are going to laugh at you. Just live within your means. Re o tsebe hore dakaro o na le headboard ya le planka ena le e gagapeileng, you know, but ba etse khotso, ba tsebe hore this person o iphelela tjena skepsele ke kenyetsa pressure ya hore jale ke betle headboard o fihla man ceiling, because ke rata o shootela content ka re ka bedroom ya ka. Ha ke soka ke afforda that wardrobe, ha ke tlo kadima ya makhelwane kapa ke ka kamereng ya makhelwane ke o shootela content ka mo. I will do it here, and people will just understand. They will know hore shaba dakaro ka ra mkhukhu a hae o sharp ratse ba dula mkhukhung, it ends there. Why should you want to impress batho ba nang le mathata? He re bimetsweng ka ntle ka monana, he re bimetse ntho nkutlisitseng bohloko even more ke the issue ya bana. Guys, bana ba o ke ba bangata haholo hore Queen Nandi ka bo ntsa ya kwa le bona aya kwa. Woman, you should find a house, whether ke locationing or ke kae melong hore you will stay longer le bana. We will get used to taba ya hore o dula mo, o we will like your content. Doesn't matter where you are, as long as ili roof. Don't worry.
Sandton, and there are guys, thugs that came into your house. FYI, I have paid rent, and these motherfuckers who are coming here illegally, can you get cops? Can you get help?
What is no?
Don't lie. Abanikazi bomzi. This woman is hijacking. Guys, so I rented a house from a woman who's hijacked this building. I didn't know. She said to me it was her house. And now, because she's hijacking the building, she's gotten thugs to come take out my furniture. So I'm appealing to the justice system of South Africa to come and make this right. This woman hijacked and made me pay rent up front. Basically, she was hijacking me. She robbed me of my money. Basically, she robbed me of my money. And this guy's about to hurt me with the gate. You are squashing me. You are squashing me. And now they're locking my kids inside. They are locking my children in this house.
Okay, picture, picture.
And I've been calling cops and stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Nshaye. Do it. Do it. And we've been calling cops to no avail. My children. This lady building. It was a house. And I up front and my kids in, while I'm out stuff out. Lock me out. Some of my stuff, my children. And my children. My kids. Don't son of a. They're trying to flying squad. My children. Terry. Terry, move. Get my kids out of there. In there. My children are in there. My children are in there with thugs. What do you mean, Angalu? Ufuna bashana bakhe? My kids are in there. I'm a pointer. What happens to my children? Jaya, wait. Apa ma police allow? So what happens to my kids while I wait for police? Unini wafonela ma police? Unini wafonela ma police allow? Guys, that person who claims to be a holier than thou Christian woman. Since I needed a place to rent. And then only to find out she's hijacking the property. She is a thug. Or I'm a real estate agent or one properties. So I fell for a scam from to real estate agent. And now the owners like, oh, guys. And the funny thing is the owners in the owners were like, call the cops because the owners are call up, which is why she's hijacking their property because they're far away. And my kids are in there. Can you guys, I don't know, send a flying squad or what? Because I can't gain entry. And my children are in this building.
You can talk English. Fuck your face.
Guys, Inyani is that I paid the rent up front. And this lady, only to find out are you on yakhe. And ke ngoku nalo mnikazi wendlu usenthatha njenge accomplice to hijacking indlu yakhe. of which I didn't know, but this is not Vuyiseka's house. This is not Vuyiseka's house. And now my children are in there. I don't know with low lives. So can someone alone heal? I know it's a police station. I've been trying to call them. They are not coming. Abantwana bam are in there. That's what I'm worried about. My kids. Apha amaphoyisa angithi bathi no uVuyiseka I don't know une relations namaphoyisa they are not going to come out alone. I've been like they don't come. I've been calling them. These people have been harassing us since last night. And then abantwana bam inside, what happens to them? They are with low lives. You know what? Guys, I'm gonna have to go off the live because the real owner is calling me. So now I wait for the police, guys. I guess I'm not choice. And I come home to this. My children are crying inside. And I guess it's the justice system for you in South Africa. No, I'm not gonna go close to the wire. Welcome to South Africa, guys. And this is a woman doing this, and she claims to love children. She claims to be all about children empowerment and so forth, and youth empowerment. I guess this is how she's empowering my children. After Tate Maliam, she owes me money, and she refuses to give me back my money. The stars now have moved away. I wish the owner could come online. I'm actually going to ask her to come. I want the owner to come as a commenter. I'm going to actually, let me share the link of the status. The real owner, Ukon, we are Pila, they're very much alive. Building yabo. How do I share live while on a live? Dr. Nyasulu, if you're watching this, please come and comment here because people think I'm the one that's lying instead of Vuyiseka. This lady, she's uqalile ukuscam abantu eGauteng. Uqalile ukuscam abantu eGauteng uVuyiseka. Kuthi amapolisa ayeza chomam. That's my point. Kuthi amapolisa ayeza kube kunini ndiwafonela. Kukhela maphara akhela ba.
Ithi owner athi amapolisa wakwazi babavule icase bona mayivulwe ngumuntu lapha. Ndithi kuba they
are owner. They are breaking. That's what they've been saying. That's what I'm saying. The justice system of this country is madness. Njani uba kuthi mayivulwe.
Basikhuphe njani izinto?
Basikhuphe afikile lamaphara ngena.
Bapha abantwana.
That's what I'm worried about my kids. Bangaphakathi abantwana. It's like there's a bunch of men and my kids in there. Guys, she is a scammer hiding behind a collar. And she's all about empowering women and children. By empowering women and children is scamming people. Facebook. Le rubbish le yathi mandizorenta apha ndambhatala irent upfront kanti uyaivictwa umnqondo wakhe ube ivictwa since 2023 ndiza mna ndicinga uba yindlu yakhe kanti uyaxoka siyondlu yakhe. And then I found out abanikazi balomzi bareporta ku-Hello Peter ndazobhaqa uba no uhijack indlu yabantu. And then I was like, I'm not going to be a part of that scam. Saxabana apho ke noVuyiseka njengoba esenza kaka yenzayo. Nansi imoto yakhe. If ndiyaqoka guys, what I am right now, Abandana Bam, and the police are just not coming. And then there's a bunch of Zulu men in this yard with my kids. Guys, and then I get home to this. Yes, it was me. I had to speak because these people, they've held my kids hostage as we speak. My children are being held hostage in there.
Fully understand. That's why I was just double checking.
They broke the lock, lock, so we cannot gain entry.
Yes, we called the police.
The police are not going to come. I've been calling the police from hours ago. I've been calling. They're not responding.
Let's maybe can go to police station.
Those ones are
They are the ones who are responsible for that.
They know exactly what's happening here. The reason they won't come, they know what's happening and they're taking sides. So my children are being held hostage. Is anyone going to do anything? Okay, thank God they're coming out. Are you guys okay? Okay, please don't get into some Namsosa's car. We need literally flying squad because I equal. Guys, I need to go to the police station because clearly the police are not coming. I don't know if I'm going to get any help anyway.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are making fun of Queen Nandi. So Queen Nandi is born bamqosha Wendy life laba bonakala khona bamqosha endlini lahlala kuyo lapha esentini, abalahlela imibhedo ngaphandle, balahlela yonke into ngaphandle. So utente victim la uNandi, but uma sekhona mavuyiseka the landlord sivile ukuthi hayi man, story sakhe it's actually making sense. uNandi actually took advantage of lo mage. So people are saying ukuthi bona ndingilabantu bo fake it until you make it, but bantu bayenda like in real life this thing. Why if ubona ukuthi awu afford hlala esentini, why unga downgrade? And we've seen ma celebrities lamaningi akwenda lokhu, even ma bayakwenda lokhu, umuntu ahlala enzaweni labona kahle khona ukuthi aka afford ukuhlala khona. Masekacetha lapho uthi ucela ama donation, masekacetha lapho ushuthela bamqosha, like why ungayila afford khona wendana esentini unganamali. So people are saying ukuthi una 6 bantwana but indlu dololo sama saying ukuthi indoda ibiya ngokutomithisa oyivela inyamalale because bekakuphi mase balahlela imibhede ngaphandle. So people are actually saying ukuthi Nandi kumele downgrade. It's not the first time bamqosha Nandi, it's actually the second time if I'm not mistaken bamqosha endlini lahlala khona. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi imali unayo afford ihlala esentini, wayenga downgrade uhlala enzaweni la utokhona afford khona, la utokhona ngokuthi uhlale kahle khona ungaqoshwa. But for some reason nje abantu abafuni kuhlala enzaweni laba afford khona, abantu bafuna ukuhlala labo sentini, umuntu ahlale kahle knowing very well ukuthi aka afford kuhlala kuleyo ndzawo. So people are saying ukuthi uNandi adefanela nje na Matthew lo wake watshela livele lonke ukuthi yena ungidoctor, bambhaqa ukuthi akusingidoctor. So people are saying ukuthi kungani bantu baphila a fake life. Like why uphila a fake life? Because masobanjiwe okokuthi awuphile impilo lo bantu baqonga ukuthi uphila yona, bese kubonakala ngazuthi mhlambe bantu babukisa ngawe obantu bazama ukuhlekisa ngawe downgrade if yabona ukuthi you don't afford indzawo losohlala kiyo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.